How to log in your account with Discord in Nvidia. If you want to log in your account with Discord account, then follow these instructions. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Nvidia. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the homepage of Nvidia website, and here on the top right corner you can see sign in option. Click on sign in. Again click on the sign in option. Now if you have signed up your account using your email ID, then type in your email on this field and click on continue. And if you have logged in your account with Google, click on login with Google. Now to log in with Discord, click on this option here. Now type in your email on this field and type in your password on this field. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link to reset it. Now click on login to log into your Discord account. After that, you need to authorize your Discord account to give access to Nvidia. Click on this authorize option. Now you have to type in this information to complete your profile. Enter your email address here. After typing your information, click on this create account option to create a new account in Nvidia. So this is how you can log in Nvidia using your Discord. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.